Baja Design lights on the front of the giveaway Gladiator. Stay tuned. Now we all know a four-wheel drive isn't truly finished until you have some high-performance lights on it, and the giveaway Gladiator is no exception. So we went with lights from Baja Designs. We went with a set of their big LP6s on that Motobuilt front bumper. We went with a set of the LP4s on the A-pillar, and then some S2 cornering lights back on the Road Armor bed rack. We also did 2 sets of the Baja Designs rock lights to help light up the trails for those night runs. Now the installation of the Baja Design lights is pretty straightforward. All you have to do is find or make some holes to mount them to, and then run wires. And of course, in our case, we ran them up to the sPod Bantam X. Now before we get into the installation, I'd like to talk about Baja Designs just a little bit. Now Baja Designs is based out of San Diego, right in the heart of the Baja racing scene. And they're very well known for their high performance lights in Baja racing. So much so that sometimes they're referred to as the scientists of lighting, because their crazy engineers come up with all kinds of crazy ideas that work great, and they produce some great lights. A few of the things we like about Baja Designs is that, well, one is they're made here in the United States. Another one, and it's huge for us, is that where many other lights are often sealed, you can't get into them, or they're sealed in a way that if you can get into them, it's hard to seal them back up. All the Baja Design lights are designed with O-ring seals. You can take them apart, you can replace parts, and you can even upgrade them. Let's say you got a set of combo lights and you need a set of spotlights. Well, you don't have to buy a whole new set of lights. All you have to do is change out the parts. And those O-ring seals makes it easy to do. Now that you know why we went with lighting from Baja Designs, let's show you what we did. Now for those reach out and touch someone lights, we went with a set of those big LP6 Driving Combo lights on top of the Motobuilt Crusher Series front bumper. We located where we wanted them on that Motobuilt bumper, drilled a few holes, bolted them down, and then ran our wires. To complement those LP6s up front, we went with a set of LP4 Driving Combo lights at the A-pillar. We used the brand new A-pillar mounting brackets from Grim Off-Road. Simple to mount, all you have to do is remove a couple bolts at the cowl corners, add some spacers, and bolt the bracket in place. Moving to the back of the Gladiator, we've installed a pair of the S2 Pro wide cornering lights up on the Road Armor bed rack. They make a great backup light. They also make a great scene light for recoveries or trail repairs, or even setting up camp after the sun has gone down. Then finally, the Baja Design rock lights. These little lights are waterproof and impact resistant, and they can be placed just about anywhere. Not only under the vehicle, you can place them in the bed of the vehicle, you can place them under the hood, you can even put them inside the vehicle, anywhere you need some extra light. Now for mounting the rock lights, Grim Off-Road sent us some prototype brackets that are easy to mount, and then you can just tweak them however you need to get that light positioned where you need it. To finish up our install, all we have to do is run the wires from the lights up into the engine compartment, avoiding the exhaust and any pinch points, and right to the sPod Bantam X power distribution system. Once we have the wires connected to the sPod module, all we have to do is program the touchscreen and we're ready to test them out. Now, are you ready for some high performance lights for your 4x4? Drop right down to that description box below to where you'll find links for the full line of Baja Design lights at Northridge 4x4. You'll also find more information out about the giveaway Gladiator, and if you think we're almost done here, wait till you see what we have for 2021. While you're down there, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and then drop right down to the comment section. We've got lights on the giveaway Gladiator. Are we missing anything? Let us know. And until next time, thanks Northridge Nation.